Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2009 Volkswagen Golf TSI. This vehicle sustained damage to the left-hand front. This shape ran from the 12th month 2008 to the 3rd month 2013. This vehicle is fitted with a CAXA 1.4 litre turbo petrol 4-cylinder engine, backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. We have the bonnet, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light with surround, left-hand power door mirror, left-hand rear door. This vehicle is fitted with factory 19-inch alloy mag wheels. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light garnish. Right-hand tail light. Also has a tidy rear bumper cover. Factory 19-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear. Right rear door, right hand front door, right hand power door mirror, right hand front guard appears to have no damage, factory 19-inch alloy mag wheel, right front has a good tyre, this vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. We have the driver's power window master switch. There's a tidy center console lid, tidy manual transmission center console, tidy handbrake lever, factory AC controls, single stack CD player factory, tidy interior mirror, tidy left hand sun visor, tidy right hand sun visor, factory manual transmission instrument cluster. Also has a tidy grey vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.